Ooh, take a picture of my toolbox and all my tools in my toolbox. I just got this toolbox. Snap-on epiq toolbox. We've got the top thing here. We've got some stuff in there. Light, drinks. Keep everything there. Nice. And then we got my top drawer here. Keep all my sockets and all my ratchets. Metric, American. Got a bunch of extensions. Real nice. Love these drawers. They come all the way right straight out of there. And in my next drawer, I got all my wrenches. A couple extra wrenches. Chisels. All snap-on, blue point. Nice stuff. Then in my next drawer, I got my screwdrivers, pry bars, hammers. Got a nice big one here. Sweet. Love that thing. A little extra kit, Dremel. Then I kind of got like a dead drawer here. Keep some stuff in there. Nothing major. Then we got screwdriver. Next thing we got our pliers and brake things, and I love these. Look at that. It comes straight out all the way across. Nice and neat and organized. And we got all the air tools and drills. Pretty cool. I like that. Then after that, we got all the big stuff. Got ball joint, slide hammer, serpentine belt. It's pretty nice. And then after that, we got keep paperwork in here, extra stuff. Then we got the other drawer, all the electrical stuff and all that crap, all extra. I keep more power tools in here, my bread rags. Not too shabby. Keep a little extra. I love this box. I just got it. I've only had it for like a month now. A lot of room. All right. Thank you.